If you've been struggling with not being able to download edited videos on Capcut because you edited with Capcut Pro features while you're on free plan, this video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Ezigbo Ijoma, and in this channel, I make tutorial videos on productivity softwares and other non-coding tech skills that will help increase your digital proficiency and enable you to achieve your goals more effectively. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overcome the challenge of not being able to download your videos when you are done editing them on Capcut because you are on free plan. So subscribe to my channel and like my video because I'll be giving you this and many more of such wonderful tutorials.
I will use this video where I talked about noise cleanup to give example because that was where I encountered that problem. I found out that when I finished editing this video where I talked about how to remove noise from your videos, and I noticed that when I wanted to download it, I wasn't able to because voice isolation and voice enhancement are pro features and I'm a free user. What I did was I just found a way around it. Click on this place. It will show you a full screen of this video. All those editing features, you will not see it again. You will just be watching this video on full screen. Then the next thing I did was I put on screen recording. Put both your screen recording and your video on at the same time. Then when your video must have finished playing, you just put off your screen recording. The next thing I did was to go to my phone where the screen recorded video is saved. I went to my phone gallery, opened it, then edited it. I cropped out all the unwanted parts from my video and then save.
Hi guys.
Your video is ready. Who is going to know that it was a screen recorded video? That was what I did for that video that I uploaded about noise cleanup for you guys. So you can try that and give me a feedback. Thank you.